Summer 2025. Was it really hotter than the legendary heat wave of 1976? Many people are debating this question. Some say the 70s heat wave was worse, while others believe this year was the hottest summer in history. In today's video, let's compare the two summers, look at real data and understand why 2025 felt so extreme. What actually happened in 1976? In 1976, the UK and parts of Europe faced one of the longest heat waves ever recorded. For around 15 weeks, rainfall almost stopped. Rivers dried up, reservoirs went empty, and people had to line up for water. Temperatures crossed 35 degrees in England, which was extreme for that time. The drought was so bad that the government even appointed a minister for drought. So the memory of 1976 has lived on as the hottest summer ever. What about summer 2025? Now let's fast forward to 2025. Across Europe, Asia and North America, this summer has been called the hottest in modern history. Global average temperatures broke records. Heat waves lasted longer, nights stayed warm, and wildfires spread across multiple countries. Unlike 1976, this is not only about one region like the UK. 2025 heat waves were global. Countries like India, Spain, China, and the US all reported record-breaking highs above 40 degrees. Now, why did the 2025 feel hotter? There are three big reasons. The first is climate change. Since the 1970s, global average temperature has risen about 1.2 degrees due to greenhouse gases. So the baseline itself is hotter. The second reason, urban heat islands. In 1976, cities were smaller. Today, concrete, cars, and air conditioning all trap more heat, making cities feel hotter. The third reason, humidity and nights. In 2005, not just daytime but also nights stayed hot. This made it harder for people to recover more the heat. Scientists say warm nights are a signature of climate change. The human impact. In 1976, around 20,000 people across Europe were affected by the drought and heat. But in 2025, millions faced health risks. Hospitals reported more heat strokes, crops failed in multiple regions, and electricity demand skyrocketed due to air conditioning. So while 1976 was severe for its time, the scale of 2025 is much bigger because the whole planet is now hotter. Final comparison, here is the key difference. 1976 was a local, historic heat wave remembered in the UK and parts of Europe. 2025 is part of a global trend of record-breaking summers caused by climate change. So if you lived in 1976, that heat wave may feel unforgettable. But for the world as a whole, 2025 is definitely hotter and more dangerous. So, was 2025 hotter than 1976? The answer is yes, especially when we look at the global picture. And if climate change continues at this pace, the summers we call record-breaking today may become normal in the future. What do you think? Was 1976 worse, or is 2025 truly the hottest summer ever? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more global insights. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.